Hello.
Hey, this is Reg. I'm calling with we connect junk with people that need, stuff hauled away. I was calling to see if you guys can handle 20 to 40 additional customers a month.
Absolutely.
Okay, nice. And how many trucks do you currently have?
We have two trucks.
Perfect, two trucks. And how many customers do you help a day?
We're averaging about. It just depends on the job. About five
Okay,
to 5 or to 10. Depends on the job. Sometimes it's just two jobs a day because they're so big.
right. Yeah, I definitely. And how are you currently getting customers? What kind of marketing are you doing?
So I'm doing Google AdWords,
Okay,
and that works out pretty good.
good. And how much are you spending on Google, if you don't mind me asking?
I spend probably around 200 a week on Google.
Okay. Sweet, 200 a week. Yeah, so it definitely sounds like there's a fit here. What I like to start by saying is, everything we talk about here, I'll email over for you in writing, just for you to review as well. But what we
Okay.
have is a proven turnkey lead generating system for junk removal services that bring in as many leads as you could reasonably handle. We only work with one or two junk services per market right now, and we're looking for someone out in.
Okay. Yeah.
So our turnkey system is built on Google Ads, so it's perfect that you're already, in Google Ads. It's a completely hands-off process for you. So all you have to do is answer the inbound leads coming to your business each day, and we take care of the rest.
Okay.
Um, and we already know this works. You know it works too because you're currently, using Google Ads. But what we build is a custom one page that converts the traffic into leads at a very high rate. So typically our campaigns converts traffic at 30 to 60%, which means for every 100 clicks, we expect you get 30 to 60 leads. We
Right.
also set up call recording and tracking as well as weekly reporting for you so you know where every dollar is spent. Our pricing model is pretty simple. So there's a $500 setup fee that goes towards us building everything out, and then we charge a monthly management fee of $4.99 unless you're a retired military. And then the
Yeah.
other part of the equation would be the Google Ads budget, which is paid directly to Google. You're familiar with that. Most of our clients start with 1,500 to 2,500 in a monthly ad budget. This represents 75 to 125 a day with the campaign running Monday to Friday.
Right.
Now we do have a 48-hour offer. Can I tell you how that works?
So are you? So what do you? Are you guys with the?
No, we're not with. So we help companies all over the nation, connect junk removal companies with people who need stuff hauled away.
Okay. Okay. I mean, I'm gonna be straight up with you. I mean, I feel like I'm kind of getting things dialed in with what I got right now, and so I mean,
I
if
get
you
you.
want to if you want to hit me back in a couple months, maybe. I mean, but I'm like, I don't know, the Google Ads things really works well for me, and I mean,
Most
to switch
definitely.
to switch, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have complete control of what's going on right now, so I mean,
No, you
feel
wouldn't
what
have
I'm.
to switch. You wouldn't have to switch, and that's what I'm getting to. So
Okay.
the 48-hour offer, we waived the $500 setup fee. So we
Right.
completely waived the $500 setup fee. We waived the first month's $4.99 management fee, and we do everything on a $1 trial. So you'd be responsible for the ad budget, and we'd suggest the 1,500 to 2,500. And you're close to that 1,500 mark. But we do this for a couple of reasons. The first reason is most junk companies have been burnt by marketing companies in the past. So we do
Yeah.
that $1 trial so you're comfortable with moving forward with us, knowing that you made the right decision. But number two, we believe this proves that we stand behind our service, knowing that it works. And if we didn't think it'd work for you and that you'd want to cancel, we'd lose money and we'd be really bad at business. We're actively looking for partners in your market. Um, and I think it'll be, a tremendous benefit to you. You're already using Google Ads. You wouldn't have to worry about, giving that up or anything like that. We would simply be managing that Google Ads account, and we'd be doing it for $1. You know, so let me ask you on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being yes, let's do this, and 1 being you wouldn't accept it even if it were free. Where would you say you're at?
I mean, I would say I mean, I don't know. I mean, I've kind of like I've been I mean, I haven't been doing it for a long time, but I mean, I feel like I'm kind of dialing it in, and like to put another step in the middle of it would be, my thing is like I understand you guys are experts, but for me as a small business owner, I enjoy the part of like figuring it all, the Google stuff out and dialing it all in, because then that educates me for other projects I might have. You know what I'm saying? So I mean,
Sure.
I appreciate it, but I mean, I think I think I'm good. I think I'm all right now. So I mean, if you want to give me a call in a couple months, maybe we could talk. But I mean, I appreciate
Yeah.
it.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, I could give you a call in a couple months, but I could give you a call in 4 months. But you currently can afford it because you can currently afford it based on the Google ads. And I definitely understand where you're coming from with feeling like you're adding an extra step.
Yeah,
But I want to be clear and clear that up and answer any questions that you may have regarding that, because we aren't adding an extra step. The only thing we're doing is adding to the process that you've already had. So we do audits where we can compare our campaign to the current campaign that you're doing. This is
yeah,
the worst thing that happens is you spend $1 with us, because that's all we're getting from you. You spend $1 with us, we build the stuff out, and our campaign does not beat the current campaign, or does not outperform the current campaign that you're running.
right,
And typically, I talk to business owners where, they're running their campaign, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying to stop doing the self education on
yeah,
Google Ads, because it's tremendous, it's a tremendous marketing tactic. But what I'm saying is a $1 trial is a killer opportunity for you. And if you're looking to scale up and grow, we can help you do that, all for a $1 trial.
So you're saying to me that you're going to build all this stuff out for me, and then I give you basically one of my Google account numbers, and you go on as like an administrator. You set it all up, and then I pay my Google ads like how I have it paid right now on my credit card, and
Yes,
we
sir.
run it in my market.
Yes, sir.
And is that what you're saying to me? Kind of like that?
That's exactly what I'm saying to you. We will not complicate anything that you have going on. We build out uh, the one pager.
Yeah.
We build out the call recording,
Right.
and we do the weekly reporting for you. So
Yeah.
we do the analytics and make sure that you understand where everything is coming from, and what's best about cus you know com business owners like you is that you're already doing the self knowledge, so you can better understand the
Yeah.
benefits of our AdWords and what we do and how we do it, and kind of our secret sauce. And like I said, it'll be of tremendous benefit to you. Now you're doing about 200 a month. We typically recommend 1,500.
Yeah.
Um, and you see, we go after the higher stuff. So we go out after the hyper specific leads. So you aren't going to get like a general, hey, we're looking for, people with blue trucks, or we're looking for, you get what I'm saying? Just
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
general searches. You're getting the hottest leads you can get. As long as you answer the phone and you know how to close, you're good to go. We bring the horse to the water, you make it drink.
Yeah.
And like I said, for the $1 trial, we believe in earning your business. So we're not. It's not like I'm saying, hey, after the $1 trial, we're locking you in 12 months. If we earn your business for 12 months, it'll be because the profit margins make sense, and you love our customer service and how we do business. But Ed Stapleton, one of the owners of the company, um, he trains us on, making sure that we stress that, we're not locking you in based on a contract. We're locking you in based on performance.
Right. Right. Okay. Okay. So why don't you send me over a contract? Can you send me over a
Okay.
contract or
Yes.
and
I will send, this is what I'll do. I'll send over a onboarding email where you can
yeah.
send the $1 trial, and then Ed Stapleton, he'll actually reach out to you to have you set up, the information, send over the information. You already have a Google Ads account set up, so yours will be, we'll be able to get that done a lot quicker. What's a good email for you?
So my email is
Okay.
yeah.
Now how would you like me to address the email? What do you go by?
My name's yeah.
Sweet. All right, sweet. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you a follow-up email as soon as we get off the phone. I'm going to CC Ed. Ed will be reaching out to you with the onboarding email. How long do you think it'll take you to get that done today?
So I'm actually on a business trip out in Oregon right now, another business I got, and so I won't be able to I probably won't be able to get to it until later this afternoon or so.
Okay, all right. Whenever you get it done, we'll be able. As soon as you get the $1 payment link, taken care of, we'll be able to start setting up everything because we want to make sure we have you at least up and running by Thursday with the new campaign and everything going. So no rush. Definitely be safe out in Oregon, and I'll be sending you over that onboarding email here soon.
Okay. All right. I appreciate it. All right. Thank you, man.
All right.
Okay.
Hey, let's make this thing work. Talk to you soon.
Okay. Bye.